Are you gonna inject it? You're gonna put it on the inside and go.
Ooh.
She looks gross.
Yeah, she
It's a
is.
horn dog.
That's really funny.
I know.
And you're a fat person because you said it tastes better.
What are you doing?
Me?
Oh.
Shake it, shake it. 4 times before use. Then remove cap. Turn can completely upside down and press nozzle sideways with finger. Rinse nozzle thoroughly with warm water. Shake off excess water and place it in refrigerator.
Shake it, shake it.
Well, it's funny because it just says shake it, and it says 4 times.
Whatever, just put the milk in your hand.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Just put the milk in your hand.